How to keep the romance during quarantine. Considering the impact of the coronavirus outbreak and the importance of practicing social distancing right now, we're all spending much more time indoors. If you're passing the time with your significant other, you might be looking for ways to strengthen your bond and relieve a bit of anxiety while you're at it. If you want more health news updates and sexual health educational topics, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to get notified whenever a new video is released. Yes, romance shouldn't stop because you're spending more time at home. Lucky for you, we scoured social media to find the best quarantine date night ideas to help you make the most of your time at home with the person you love. Make pizza together. It doesn't get any better than enjoying your favorite movie with pizza that you made together. Try new recipes or toppings to elevate the flavors and move away from the ordinary. Test your karaoke skills. Challenge your partner to a fun-filled game of karaoke. Singing some of your favorite tunes is guaranteed to boost your spirit. The YouTube page Sing King has a bunch of songs for you to try out. Tackle a puzzle. You will both find satisfaction in completing a challenging puzzle. Just add a bottle of wine to the mix for the perfect date night. Plug and play. No doubt, playing video games takes us through the shock, thrill, satisfaction, and frustration. No matter how you're doing, you're experiencing something awesome and building memories together that you can share later on. Paint away. Express your creativity and love for each other with a paint session. You can keep it exciting by playing some upbeat tunes as you put your brush to canvas. Plan a fondue night. Fulfill your sweet tooth once and for all by enjoying a romantic evening with fondue. Have a spa night. There's no reason why you can't bring it right into your home. A relaxing bath, calming face masks, manicures, the list goes on. A couple that spas together stays together, right? Practice yoga. Now's the time to find your zen. Make it happen with yoga poses that are suitable for couples. Try a new dinner recipe. Spice things up by making a new dish together. Enhance the experience by dressing up and setting the mood with candles and your favorite playlist. Play a board game. Give the TV a break and reconnect with your lover over a board game. It's the perfect opportunity to talk and get in some much-needed laughter. What are your thoughts, reactions, or suggestions about the topic? Please comment down below. We'd love to know more from you and on how we can improve this channel.